Okay, now you ready?
Not cool.
Now you ready?
Now you ready?
You want to do a video? Okay, we're going to do the video. Wait. Pause. Yep, we just finished watching some of these to go over them, huh? So we have number 14, homesteading.
Homesteading.
15,
15.
Idaho territory.
Territory.
And 16,
16.
changes for Native Americans.
Changes for the Americans.
Okay. So in 14, we were watching the videos. There's two of them, right? And they were talking at the beginning about a stolen capital. So the main idea is that you're probably going to have a hard time with. So when you're talking about, we are in Idaho, right?
Idaho, right?
So there's boundaries. We call them boundaries.
Boundaries.
Idaho, oh man, that one doesn't work. So Idaho is shaped like this. Like that, right? So everything inside this boundary, this line, is in Idaho. When you go outside of it, you have other states that are around us.
Not cool.
So the lines are the boundaries. It's a line. When you pass it, you're in a different area. Right now we're in Nampa, Idaho, and there's boundaries for Nampa. Hey, come on. So, and we have leaders here too. So we're going to talk about governors. So you need to know.
Let's go get it.
Hey, you need to know what a governor is. A governor is a leader, right? So they're leaders in our communities. So a line that draws the area, that determines the area, I guess, is called a boundary. A boundary is a line, right? You remember that? Boundary is a line. Cool? What's a boundary?
Boundary
Is a line.
is a line.
Yes. Okay. And a governor
Governor.
is a leader, right?
Leader.
Okay.
Right.
Governor is a leader. So, wait. We're going to do this. Okay? So, when people first came here to Idaho, we were talking about gold. Remember Uncle Eric's gold? You remember his gold? When you helped him with his gold? Do you remember that? Hey, remember the gold?
Remember the gold?
Yeah, when you helped Uncle Eric with his gold. He had mud and water, and he was trying to find the gold. So Uncle Eric, he was trying to find the gold. But remember we talked before.
Before.
Yep, sit down.
Sit down.
So we talked before
Talk before.
about all the people that came here to find gold, because it would give them lots of money, right? So when they came here, they came to a place called Lewiston. Lewiston is up here. It's up, way up here, okay? And we are about right here in Nampa, and then this is Boise right here, okay? So when they first got here in Lewiston, they were getting gold, right? But when the mines where they were at started running out of gold, people started moving down here to Boise. Hey, stay here. Stay here. You want to show it? Okay, Lewiston.
Lewiston.
Boise.
Boise.
Okay. So when the people started coming down here to Boise, stuff started changing. There wasn't as many people in Lewiston, but there was a lot more now in Boise. So the governor, who is a leader, right? He's their leader. He decided that they should move the state capital. The capital is where all of the center is. Yeah. Yeah. The capital of the state to Boise. And that's where they moved it to. But originally the people in Lewiston didn't like that. So there was an interesting story about how they had to take all of the official records. Yeah, are you drawing it now too? So when people first got here, they had to homestead. And that meant that they were able to claim the land by working it and they were able to get 160 acres for very little because they were working on it for a long time. And they had schools too.
More than one.
Okay, they had schools. How's your school today?
How was school today?
Our school?
What's cool?
We're doing a lot of school on the computer.
Computer.
Back when they started schools here in Idaho, the very first school only had 6 students. 6 kids.
6 kids.
Yep, they only had 6 kids. That's not very many, huh? Right? So that was the very first one. They were a lot smaller than they are now. So school is very different. But, okay. Yeah, I think we're going to have to move quickly to keep your attention. Come on. Ready? So, the Idaho Territory, which is week 15. Idaho Territory was... So all of it was originally part of big Washington Territory, but when people spread out, it made it hard for a governor to help lead them. Hey, come on. Come on. Hey, it's Daddy's turn. Daddy's turn. We're talking about this. Hey, come on. It's not time to draw, buddy. Do we have to start over again? I don't want to start over again. Please. Please. Alright, then we have to start over again. We're going to start all over.